Angie is changing the way you protect and connect to your home. Angie always knows who's at home thanks to security tags which identify people at the door. Combined with sound recognition, a motion tracking camera, and cloud intelligence, Angie guards your home all by herself. Emma, I see you. Based on who is home and what time it is, Angie automatically switches between security modes. If anything goes wrong, you'll be notified immediately, no matter where you are. Oh my! And you can check in at any time using the intuitive app. With Angie on your side, you can go about your day and relax through the night knowing that Angie is watching out for you. When you come home, the camera turns to face the wall because Angie respects your privacy.
Mom is connecting. Do you want to accept?
Not now. And when you go to bed, Angie will remain on alert in case anything happens. Give your home eyes, ears, and a brain. You'll be glad you did.
Press and hold the on-off switch until the indicator light blinks red and blue. You are now ready to pair. Simply swipe right ear cap of the headphones up and down to control volume and right and left to change songs. Flip A and C switch on to turn on active noise cancellation. To pause your music automatically, simply remove headphones from the head or place around the neck. Press the ambient button to dampen audio, reduce noise cancellation, and amplify outside sound. Plug in the included auxiliary cable to continue listening to your music until the next charge.
Imagine a world where you can charge your phone without a wire. RoboQi is what you need. RoboQi is the coolest wireless charger ever, which is designed with a state-of-the-art robotic system. The automatic arms work with amazing robotic sound. All you need to do is put your phone on. The phone will tap the sensor on the surface, which controls the robotic arms close and open automatically. It is also a nice phone holder in the office and home. Tired of holding your phone for hours when watching a movie? Let RoboQi does the job for you. RoboQi supports the latest Qi certified wireless charging technology, including 7.5 watts fast charge for the iPhones and 10-watt fast charge for the Android devices. No more annoying cables, no touch, no button. Just naturally put your phone in there. Robot Qi provides a state-of-the-art charging experience, fast, safe, and style. Most importantly, the Robot Qi is a next-generation device that makes your life cool and amazing. Support Robot Qi today and enjoy the cool charging way. Robot Qi.
(1977), personal computer manufacturers were founded. The PC business was about to grow big, really big, but bigger isn't always better. Meet Ockel, the company that created the first complete Windows 10 PC that fits into your pocket. As light and small as a smartphone, yet as powerful as a desktop PC. It's fast, it's incredibly easy to use, and it's now available in 2 editions.
Hi, my name is Douwe. I am part of the Ockel team and I'm very proud to introduce our Windows 10 Pocket PCs to you.
The Ockel Series B Black Cherry is equipped with the most advanced technologies available, such as a powerful Intel processor, 4 GB of RAM and a first-class Wi-Fi chipset to give you the best performance possible. Passive heatsinks make our Pocket PCs 100% silent as they don't require a fan for cooling. The size and weight of our Pocket PCs are close to the latest Apple and Samsung Galaxy smartphones. You hardly realize you're carrying a complete computer with you. You can use the Series B Black Cherry wherever you want. All you need is an HDMI screen and an input device like a mouse or keyboard. The millions of Windows 10 applications take care of everything else. Whether you like to watch a movie, surf the web or have to work, our Pocket PCs handle it all.